Welcome back, AACPS staff. In this video, we're going to see how students can join a teacher's class and access assignments given by their teacher here in WeVideo using the Classes feature. So here we are, logged onto a student. The student has just entered into their WeVideo dashboard for the first time. And you'll see that their dashboard looks a lot like yours does. They have the same menu options down the left-hand side, for example, to create a new video, a recording, a GIF, podcast, all the same things that a teacher can create. They also have the Home tab, Classes, Templates, all the same menu options. And then any of their existing projects that they've worked on recently will be right here in the center of their dashboard. To access a class created by their teacher, they're going to select on Classes. And then they'll see all of the existing classes that they are already a member of, and they can click the large thumbnail down here to join a new class, or the blue button in the upper right-hand corner to join a class as well. So I'm going to select this button, and it's just going to ask me to put in the code shared by my teacher. So I'm going to paste that in and click Join. So now you'll see my student is a member of this class and they've immediately entered into that class environment, and they can see that they have an assignment given here by their teacher. I have two tabs across the top as a student. I have my To Do, which has the active assignment that I either haven't started yet or I might be in progress. I've started it, but I haven't submitted it yet. My other option is to see any assignments that I have completed and turned into my teacher. Just so we can see what it looks like when a teacher has a variety of assignments, I'm going to move into another class here and show you that I can see two assignments here that have been returned by my teacher, as well as one that I have started but have not submitted yet. So on that To Do tab, students will locate videos they haven't started, videos that are in progress, and also things that have been returned by their teacher with comments for them to make changes and resubmit that assignment. Check back in the next video where we talk about editing and creating videos from the student perspective.